Sween 24 is a once-a-day moisturizing cream that provides continuous moisturization for 24 hours. It is recommended for all patients to help maintain healthy skin and reduce the risk of dry skin. Xerosis is the medical term for dry skin and is a common problem, especially with the elderly population. Dry skin usually gets worse during the winter months. Frequent bathing or bathing with a harsh soap may also increase the risk of dry skin. With xerosis, the skin becomes dry, scaly, itchy, and red. Xerosis is commonly found on the arms and legs. Sween 24 contains dimethicone and glycerin to help decrease friction stresses and hydrate the skin by preventing transepidermal water loss. To minimize the potential for skin irritation, it is fragrance, petrolatum, lanolin, and alcohol-free. This gentle, non-irritating formula can be used to soothe post-radiation dermatitis. Sween 24 is compatible with CHG and is suitable for use on neonates. Due to its ability to draw moisture into the skin continuously for 24 hours, you only need to apply Sween 24 once a day. The clinical efficacy of Sween 24 cream has been evaluated on neonatal and pediatric patients with xerosis or dry skin. On enrollment, the patient in this case study had severe xerosis. Sween 24 was applied daily. Within a week, the xerosis was completely resolved, leaving the skin healthy and intact. Sween 24 should be applied once a day, directly after bathing. Apply from head to toe, gently rubbing the cream in until it is dry to the touch. Sween 24 can also be applied to the lips if necessary. Applying Sween 24 directly after bathing supports studies that show moisturizing your patient within 3 minutes of bathing allows the greatest absorption of nutrients and moisture into the skin. Sween 24 cream, a once-a-day moisturizing body cream for all patient populations to help maintain healthy skin and reduce the risk of dry skin.